which types of CPG or life science operations are successfully scaling customization and flexibility, and what's still holding back others?
I think I would say where we see economic pressure. So our food and beverage customers, they're not normally quite as profitable on a point basis and compared to, say, life sciences. So we see the technology adoption quite high. Also, some of the challenges they face in terms of the ever-evolving consumer tastes is presenting them some unique challenges about how do they stay cost-effective. How do they change the product design? The products might be seasonal, so if you're changing what you're running in a plant every 6 months or so doing campaigns, how do you do that in an efficient and cost-effective manner? So how do you bring energy into the mix? How do you reduce your energy footprint? And again, I mentioned multi-carrier. Multi-carrier is typically 30% energy efficient compared to the traditional approaches. So these things all have a marginal gain on your terms of your operations in terms of what's the contribution today, but also how do you safeguard that future operations for products you may not have even invented today.